if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Astrology sign. This is me, Daru, again signing you off and telling you that I will give you once again the video. Okay, now let's start with our official information. So many people, literally guys, many people requested me, and many people on the comment section also told me that please make the part 2 of Jungkook. And today I'm gonna make its part 2, and definitely this will be full-fledged reading about his wife, about the relationship bonds, about the year they will meet, how they will meet, and everything, and what will the hardships they're gonna have together. So actually everything I will cover and try to tell you most of the things which are being secretive to you all, to all the armies. And because when I saw many of the YouTube channel, what I saw was there wasn't any proper information given to them. Only statements were given that this will happen, but I'm going to tell you why would this happen and how would this happen. This is all what I'm going to cover in this video again. And if you don't know that I give a personal consultation also, you can DM me on my Instagram account, which I will put the link in description box. And again, you can, if you didn't got my account yet, then you can comment me, I will message you back. Okay. And yeah, so this will be a lit astrology chart again. Also, I want to tell you that I've already made 4 to 5 videos, and if you haven't gone to my channel, then you can go through it and you can watch all the videos of BTS. And I'm making the series now. After the second part of Jungkook, I will directly go to J-Hope's, Suga's, and then all the members I will cover. uh, and then I will go with the Blackpink series. So guys, this YouTube channel will literally give you full information about all the K-pop lovers, to all the armies, to all the blings, and any K-pop band you follow, you can DM me. I will make a video on them definitely. Sure. Okay. So without wasting any more time, let's directly get back into our video, our content. So basically, okay, as I told you last time about his wife, I almost told you the features, physical features, the emotional features, and everything. But I'm gonna, cover up all the things now this time fully. Okay, so let's start. Okay. Also, one thing I forgot to mention. This is very important, guys. Please, if you watch my channel, do subscribe it, like, and press the bell icon for all the notifications you will get in future. And do comment on it if you have any queries. Then do comment on it. And I need all of your supports, and I am literally getting all of your love and support. I'm very happy for that. I'm very grateful for your support and love. But you can give me more support for that. You understand it? Right. Okay. So I almost wasted a lot of time of yours. Okay, let's come back to our video. So see guys, what I see here is, last time also I told that his Saturn is placed in 7th house. First of all, I'm gonna see to his 7th house. And Saturn is being retrograde. I told you already that this relationship of Jungkook and his wife is gonna be karmic. Yeah, it won't be any soulmate connection. It won't be any twin flame connection. And most of the people literally said to me that no, it will be soulmate. Guys, if you have really don't trust me, then you can go to any other astrologer. You can ask them. But what I see from this chart is that it won't be a soulmate connection. It definitely will be a karmic connection. Okay. Okay. And actually karmic also, and a soulmate, because what happened was, in his past life Jungkook did something that his wife played a role in this life with him. Okay, so there was something going on, mess up is was going on in past life also. This is what I see here. Guys, again I tell you that this is a mixture of soulmate and karmic connection. Actually, this is what I see. Not a full-fledged karmic and not a full-fledged soulmate. It's a mixture, because somewhere or the other in his past life, his wife was there in the form of best friend, in the form of any other person. Okay, any other relationship bond they have. but this time she is his wife. Okay, okay. Now I'll tell you again, I'll repeat the physical features. If you haven't watched my part one, then go watch it again. But yeah, I have to cover this again, okay? So, physical features, she will be tall. And as you all guys know that Jungkook likes sporty girls. Jungkook like girls who are into sports, who are into games, and yeah, these type of girls he like. So this is somewhat quality that comes from Saturn because Saturn is placed in the seventh house. That is the reason why he loves these kind of features in a girl, okay? So definitely his wife's gonna have all these features. She will be tall, she will be into sports, very good at sports, okay? Very good at sports. Also, she will be having medium length hair, not very, high up hair or very low up hair. No, no, not like this. A medium length hair she would have, and not very fair skin. This is what I see. She will definitely very beautiful, but the color of her skin will be wheatish color, somewhat wheatish color, brown color, but not very white. Okay, this is what I see. And yeah, and what kind of clothes she likes to wear. Okay, so I think from his chart, what I see is she likes to wear baggy clothes, not very slim fit clothes. She's not into that at all. She literally likes to wear baggy clothes. She likes to be comfy all the time. She doesn't care what people will think. She's like, I'm okay with whatever I wear until unless I am happy. Okay. I don't care what others think. She's like that. Okay. And this is a very good and a very good nature. She is jolly nature, but does have a very serious nature too. Like she is very serious towards her work, her career. She is literally very serious. And when it comes to joy and a little bit giggling and all stuffs, then she is very much into that. She is like, okay, I'll laugh with you. If you laugh, I'll laugh with you. I'll crack jokes. She literally do crack jokes also. So she does have that double natured person she is. Okay. And what I see also here is that she would have specs because Saturn brings somewhat of the other eyes are affected. But you know what? Because Moon and Venus is directly aspecting this Saturn, she will have a very beautiful eyes, very beautiful, like big eyes, big doe eyes. The same as Jungkook has. Jungkook has big doe eyes, but again, a little bit of mono eyelid. She won't be a mono eyelid. She will have definitely um, double eyelids and a black in color. Eye color will be black, sure. Black or brown, okay? Black or brown. This is what I see. And yeah, somewhere or the other, she will have some knee problems. So definitely, what I see here is she would have some knee problems or some leg problems. Like might be her something she got hurt on her leg and or sprain kind of thing that will happen to her like in a week or two, like this. Okay, this is what I see because Saturn again causes some leg problems here. Okay, but again she is very healthy, very healthy person. Also what I see is not very prone, but there is something like she catches cold and cough and cold easily, very easily. Like if somebody is having cough and cold in her area or within 2 or 3 meters, then definitely she's gonna catch that cold. That's not gonna be very chronic disease, but yeah, in short period of time also, that is what happens. Her immune system is somewhere or the other affected. Yeah, this is what I see. Somewhere or the other affected. She don't have a very good immune system. Yeah, definitely. Also, what I see, you know what, guys? I don't want to say this, but as I told you and promised you that I will tell you the full truth. So yeah, I will tell you everything. See, what happens is when Saturn is placed in seventh house in any Vedic astrology chart or in any Lagna chart even, and Mars is aspecting again, Venus is aspecting, that what these planets bring is hardships in past. Okay, not past life, this life only, but in past. So what happens there is that she definitely will have some or the other hardships. And also no the biggest thing here is she will not have a very, very good relationship with her father. Yeah, definitely. Not a very good relationship with her father. You know, something or the other would be there in the past that have, attacked her so much. She would be so much prone to that she couldn't control her feelings. She has become very stone hearted because of that, or because of that scenario in her life that happened very long time. Okay, this is what I see from this chart. And definitely, I tell you one thing more, that if I want to like predict everything about her, then I have to get her chart. But since I don't have her chart, so I'll try my all best to tell you whatever I see from Jungkook's chart. Okay, so this is what I have to tell you. This was secret actually. This was secret thing. Last time also I thought that I would tell you, but then I stopped because many people will again come to my comment section and talk about it. That what kind of hardships and so. So people, please, guys, don't talk about it. But yeah, I have just told you the upper part of it, the brim of it. Just consume it, whatever it is, whatever problem it is. So I already told you one secret, and yeah, let's now disclose everything from this chart. So this is what I see from his chart, and yeah, she will have very stubborn nature, stubborn kind of nature, like very stubborn. She won't listen if she is angry at all. Also, what I see is her anger is like a very short-tempered person too. Jungkook has anger, but he controls it. He knows how to control, but this girl doesn't know to control. Okay, and very bad anger issues she have. That was also because she had gone through many things in her life and seen many things. So like there are things when she get out of control and she can't help herself. Like this things happen, definitely sure. This is all what I saw from his chart here. Okay, now let's talk about their relationship bonds and all. She would be into jewelry. She would like some jewelries also, and yeah, she like beautiful things. She do like beautiful things, definitely, definitely. Okay, and I already told you know about specs and all, that she would be wearing specs. Yeah, she would be wearing specs, but very, not very casual. Like sometimes while reading only she will wear, and after that she will remove it. So yeah, this will be the kind of situation here. And yeah, apart from that, also all the BTS members except J-Hope wear specs. They have some eye issues. So again, this is shown. And amongst all, I think Jungkook has the eye issues. Like I know public these things doesn't publicize a lot, but since his chart show this, then he does have eye issue. But among all the BTS member, I have to see the chart of RM and Suga and everybody's also. But between I saw like of Taeyong's and yeah Jimin's, he has the eye issues compared to them. Okay. So okay guys, now moving on to our next lot. See, what will happen is that because his seventh house contains the 12th planet, that is Jupiter, and Jupiter is sitting in fifth house. Her wife will definitely love kids, definitely love kids very much. Okay, he also love kids but not that much. He doesn't have that much of the craze in kids. Taeyong star definitely had that situation where he loves kid. Okay, but Jungkook's, I don't see that much of the love here. But what happens is he is very caring, very caring. Uh, what happens is when Jupiter sits in the fifth house, it makes the native very caring about any kid he have or any pet he have or anybody. So he is the most caring among all the BTS members. He's like he will sleep late, and he will wake up early, but he can face all the problems, but he is very caring. This is what I see the most, and it is very very ritual. Yeah, okay, it's okay, casual thing. Okay, and her wife will be very much into kids too, and yeah, they're gonna first. Okay, one thing more what I see from his chart is I don't know, because this is Lagna chart and about the timings and all might differ. So but what I see is that first child definitely they're gonna have a boy child. First child will be boy child, definitely sure. And one thing more guys that I told you earlier also, please don't get sad with these things. You know, one day they will get married with one person, okay? They can't be, and they already told no that their first love is us armies, yes or no? So you don't have to get that much sad, and let them have a happy life, let them live their life satisfaction. They should have with their life satisfied, and do not think so much about them, because you know, ultimately and at last moment they are our artists only, they are our idols only, okay? And we do not know them very personally, and we cannot get into their personal lives at all. So just you don't have to be sad. They will get married one day, they will have kids one day, they will get old one day, and end their life here. Everybody is in this cycle. Every human being come to the world will go. But yeah, this is what matters, is that they became legend because of their career. They worked so hard that they became legends. They are down to earth. This is what matters. So we have to, you know, we have to take inspiration from them, take motivation from them, that we should do something in our life good things in our life that can make us also legends, okay? These all traits we should take from them, and not, we shouldn't get sad. And if you are a real or a true army, then you won't get sad. You would be happy that yeah, he got married with the right partner, he found his love finally, and yeah, he is gonna have a very very happy life further. You have to be happy about that, okay? So apart from this, what I see is she will be very intellectual, definitely very intellectual, very you know, analytical also, and very analytical. And about profession, people ask me the most that what will be her profession. Okay, so guys, about her profession, what I see is she would be into business something, or also what I see is, yeah, business is the, because my profession is very confusing here, very confusion, very much of the confusion I have here. And moon is the Karak. Okay, one thing more, that his Amatya Karak is Venus. Okay, guys. So yeah, he will be, she will be into business. She would be into court, being a lawyer. She would be into engineering also. Yeah, somewhere or the other, she might be an engineer plus a business analyst, like this. She will have a very combined job. She will have combined job of two. Like we say, proper business field, she won't be there, and a proper engineer, she won't be. She would be a mix of this, okay? There are jobs and there are fields where we can do both the things, okay? You can search those fields and you will get to know about them, okay? And this was about the field she would be, profession she would be, and where will they meet again, guys, again, okay? Where will they meet? They will meet during job or during work. What will happen is that either Jungkook will come because of some work will be there from her office or something like that, or they will suddenly, you know, just meet up, and suddenly one meeting will be coming up, like okay, we have to do this meeting for them. And also we can be it can be seen that there would be some magazine publishing, interviews might be going on. So yeah, this thing also I can also see. But definitely there will be a work scenario, a job scenario. This is what I see. Job scenario will definitely be there. So via profession they will meet. Okay. And also there are not much things to say. Also their relationship. Okay. About their relationship, this is what I see is they will have a lot of love between them. But you know what? That her wife is not very much, you know, she don't like to tell everything. She's like a kind of person that if she really love that person, no, so she won't express her that much. So she isn't that very expressive. And whereas Jungkook, what I see is that Jungkook take care of things, and that is all what expressiveness he has in himself. Okay, sorry for my stuttering, guy, I'm very sorry, I don't know what happened to me. Okay. So she won't be very much expressive, but she likes little things. She will definitely do some little things for Jungkook, like making cake or baking cake for him, or going on little dates, small dates, having small hugs, and like these kind of gestures they will do that will make them happy. So what I see is that small things will make them happy, not a very big thing that she will buy an airplane for her. No, no, these won't do. Jungkook will also not do that. Okay, don't think that mafia story is going on in the back that yeah he's gonna buy an airplane for her. No, this is not gonna happen. I know all the armies. You all are FF readers. I definitely know. So don't make those stories in behind of your uh, head. Okay. So this is what the condition I see here, and yeah, she will be very strong, masculine, and about the relationship, they will be very good. The relationship, but what happens is that there will be conflicts. There will be definitely will be conflicts, but divorce isn't the case. What I see, divorce isn't the case. They will never get divorced. They will never get separated. What will happen is that they are very obsessed with each other. This is what I see. They both will be very obsessed with each other. They can't live without each other. Also the thing is, yeah, they might fight in front of others, they might fight, everything they might do, but the ultimate thing comes here, the moral is that they won't leave each other. That's it. Okay, guys. And yeah, they are very and also what I see is they will help each other in their career. Yeah, definitely they both will help each other in their career. Like if Jungkook is doing something business later on, then she will definitely help him to grow that. And if her wife will be doing something, then he will definitely help her grow. Okay, this is what I see. And very much of media stuffs I see. They will be into medias and all for a little bit of time, but after that they will like into hibernation, go into cave, and then yeah, this kind of situation will be there. And with armies, yeah, Jungkook will definitely will be there with armies forever. Armies are the first love of all the BTS members. So yeah, this is what I see. Okay. And when will they meet? Okay, people ask me this the most, that when will they meet? For that, I have to see the Dasha. Also, what I see, that Jungkook's Dargarak is moon. What does a moon make? Moon makes a person very emotional. So her wife will be very emotional also. He is also very emotional. Like on stages also, you have seen that he cries. He doesn't show that much, but whenever he is emotional, he is soft from inside, and same goes with her wife. However, like very tough, she shows herself in front of others, in front of the society, everybody, but she is that much soft inside herself, inside her heart. Okay, this is what I see. Very emotional people. And okay, now let's look into their dashas and all. So, firstly, I have to see the dasha of Moon, Saturn, and Sun so as to predict their meeting. When will they meet? So, yeah, I think okay. The first thing that I see here is they are gonna meet in 2029. They are gonna meet in 2029, but there won't be very much of the thing happening here, like no scenarios going on here. He don't know her, she don't know him, and yes, she would know him, like he is a very much like global superstar he is, but not very much connected. And like pass by, that two people are just passing by, they don't know what their destiny is gonna be. This is kind of case that's gonna happen. And after years, what I see, yeah, definitely, guys, definitely, what I see is Moon Saturn Dasha will be going on in 2033 34. He will get married between 2033 to 34. And I will tell you the month also, that in January, February, March, April. In April, from April to, 2033, April of 2033 to April, May, June, July, August to August of 2034. Okay, this is what I see. I can tell you the date, but I don't think so that date will be very accurate. So yeah, from April 2033 to August 2034. In between, they will get married, and if they haven't got married, then definitely they should get married, because this is the only dasha where they have the chance to get married. After that, he don't have any dashas. He don't have any dashas. So yeah, Jungkook. please get married within these years, 2033 or 34, 2 years at least. Okay. And also what I see is that in 2029, after 2029, they're gonna have a long lasting relationship also. They will meet and they will have small dates also. So yeah, in 2029, 30, 31, 32. So these year they will be just dating themselves, not themselves, each other, sorry, each other they will be dating, and finally they will get married in 2033, 34. This is what all I see from here, guys. And anything else I see? No. I actually told you everything. Yeah, one thing more that I told you is I covered that point, no? That you have seen Jungkook like taking care of his pet, right? That his Doberman pet. He does take care of his pets like this, so how will he take care of his children? They're like heart and soul. He will put his heart and soul into his children, definitely. Okay. So this is what I see. And once again, okay, one thing more that people ask me the most is I don't know if I should share this, but yeah, Jungkook will be into bed pleasures and all. Yeah, definitely all the BTS members are into these things. I see. I see this. Okay. So, guys, this was all that I have to tell you about his wife. And you have any more questions to ask, then you can definitely go on to my comment section. You can ask me there. And yeah, so let's wrap up our video with a small little thanks. Thank you so much for listening to me so patiently. And yeah, like my channel, subscribe my channel, comment down, and share as much as you can. Yes, guys, this is all. So, bye bye, guys. Good night, good evening, good afternoon, everything, whatever you are, whenever you are watching, whatever you're having in your country. So, yeah, bye bye. Let's wrap up. Okay, bye, guys.